welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the sport duffel bag in beige from Beis. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you know I did a poll because I was looking at this and then the all mesh backpack because I was looking for a new gym bag since I've been going to the gym pretty frequently trying to lose some weight for my wedding. And I really just wanted a bag. At the time, we were on a hybrid schedule going into work half the week and then working from home the other half. So I just wanted to have a bag full of everything that I need, including like a lock and everything. And so we're now on a 100% remote schedule, but I still want to have the bag so I have everything prepped for the gym and that way I can just take it with me. So I was just looking around on their website, and again, I was debating between the mesh backpack and this. The most appealing thing to me with the mesh backpack is obviously that for a gym bag, it's great if it's mesh because it'll smell a little less, but also it was packable. So I do have to go to residency for school. Probably I'm going to travel a bit this year. And if I wanted to work out, then I could have a packable backpack in there. But then I was thinking I would only work out if I was staying at the hotel during residency, and I would just have my stuff anyways and would just need to walk down the hall to the gym. So I didn't really need it, but I did like the idea of a mesh backpack, and I still might get it and I can switch it around. I don't know, we'll see. But I saw this and I absolutely loved it. So normally I get everything in black, but I don't know why I saw this in a video on their website when I was just looking for more information on the items. And I just love the way that the beige one looked. I thought it just was a little different than I normally got. And I don't know, I just love the color. So this is gonna be first impressions. I'm also gonna share what fits. So I'm gonna share how I am going to be using it and then sharing all the specifications and details in this video. I am not affiliated. This is not sponsored. I just really love the brand. I will have my personal referral link below. And I believe if you're new and you never bought anything from Beis before, you get 15% off, and then I get points. And then I use those points to buy more stuff and share these videos. So full disclaimer on all of that. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. So I just took this out of the packaging. So I just got it in the mail, took it out. So this is how you receive it. So it's pretty compact. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, which I actually kind of like. I thought it was going to be a lot bigger. We are going to remove this. I don't need it. I know for sure I'm going to keep it. This bag was, I think it's new to their channel. I think or their store. I think they just came out with a sports line. And I was really excited because it also turns into a backpack. So you can have it as an over-the-shoulder bag or use it as a backpack. I'm just gonna fluff it out right now. So here's the bag fluffed out, and I can't zoom out anymore. I will try and do some mod shots for you guys so y'all can see what it looks like, especially the backpack version. But I love it. I think it's cute, and again, I just really love the beige, and I'm normally not a beige person. For specifications, for dimensions, it is 10 inches in height, 17 inches in width, and 8.5 inches in depth, which you can't see. There we go. And then it is a wrinkled nylon exterior, and it says it's a recycled polyester interior. So you can close it up top, and when you open it, well, actually, let's do some external features. So you have a little compartment here. I would assume this is for like headphones. That's what I would probably use it for, or maybe like a lock. You have your trolley pass through. So they have this on all of their bags. So if you want to take this with you, if you're traveling, it'll fit on your suitcase. And if you're just using it like every day, you can keep this closed, and then you have an additional external pocket. On the right side, you have a full stretchy pocket. You have one large front zip pocket up here, and then you have a pull handle so that you can put it in your locker and it can hang, or if you're using it as a backpack, you can use it up top. And then what y'all just saw, the handles, and then on the bottom is the cool part. So you have hidden pockets so that you can, if you don't want to use it as a backpack, you don't have to, but you can unzip. And I saw their video, that's why I can instantly like do all this. You can instantly unzip, pull out your arms for your backpack, and then pull out the little hooks, snap it in, and then you have a backpack. And then this is like a pleather material, so that's actually a really nice touch. But now you have a backpack. So if you want to also take this maybe like hiking or something, you can do that if it stores everything that you need. But I just thought that was a really cool feature. When I saw that in the video, that's what made me really decide to get this one over the mesh backpack, is I like that functionality, that it's a backpack and a bag. I'll probably primarily use it as a duffel bag, but I like having this option to use it as a backpack because you never know. So when you're done with it, you can just put everything back in. And then close it up. So this is one of the reasons why I love Beis. I feel like they think of everything. But yeah, inside, so when we open this, you get your strap so that you can actually use it as a duffel, and it's padded. So we can just hook this on here. And now we have the full strap to use it as an actual duffel bag. On the interior, on the side, you have 2 mesh pockets as well as 1 large pocket. You have 2 slit pockets on this side. And then you also get a dirt bag for dirty clothing and shoes. And then it even says dirt bag on here. So that way you don't have to worry about if you have a clean outfit in here, or if you don't want your shoes touching your clothes and you keep them in here, you have the option to use that. And there's also a key holder. And yeah, this is, I think, the cutest gym bag I have ever seen. I'm in love with it. I think it's adorable. And I love all the functionality of this. So yeah, that is all of the features, everything that it comes with that I see. And so now we will do a what fits, and I will share how I'm going to be using it, what I'm going to keep in here, and so on. So let's open this up. And I just grabbed a few things. So a few things that I want to keep in my bag are bobby pins and hair ties. So I just grabbed a few. We're just going to throw them both in one compartment. Another thing that I'm going to keep in here, but I'm currently wearing it, is my Apple Watch band. So I have like silver metallic watch bands that I generally wear if I like go to work or go somewhere. This is my workout band, and I'm about to go work out, which is why I have it on. But this is actually going to be kept probably in this pocket or up front, just so I don't have to wear my silver watch bands when I go to the gym, because I had to do that once when I completely forgot and I wasn't going to come to the house first just to switch out watch bands. But that is another thing that I'm going to keep in here. And then I also want to keep a pair of spare socks, so we'll probably just keep this up front. And then I also want to keep makeup wipes in here, so I don't like working out with makeup on my face, so I'm just going to keep a small pack in there. And then let's start putting in some clothes. So I have these All in Motion legging workout pants from Target, which I've absolutely love their workout line. I wanted to add a few new pieces to like my workout collection, and I'm in love with their pants and their tops. So I also have this like top as well, just have a backup one, but it's a long sleeve, and I'll just put it down here. And then I also have the Victoria's Secret sports bra that we'll just keep in here as well. And then we have my gym shoes. So just for reference, I'm going to put them in here and I'm going to put them in the bag. So this is what I was saying, that if you don't want, like, these are pretty smelly. I probably need to leave them outside for a day. But if I don't want them with my clean work clothes or my workout clothes, then I can just keep them in here. And then they don't touch the clean workout clothes. And I have pretty big feet, so I have a size, I think these are a size 10.5. And you still have so much room. So you can also put like a towel in here if you like to shower at the gym. I have my lock for the locker, and I'm going to keep that up front just in case I forget to take it out. I don't want to have to open it. So I'll just keep that in the pocket. And then I have a few additional items. So I have my keys. So obviously I'm not going to keep them in the gym bag, but just for reference, I would probably, when I'm at the gym, keep my car keys up front just so they're easy to grab. And then again, that way I will have to dig through my bag for my keys. So immediate stuff I would put up here. For my AirPods, again, I think I'm just going to store them in here. I think that would be a great spot for them so I can quickly find them if I need to charge them. And then yeah, I have a 36-ounce Yeti that I have like an additional top to, so it's a pretty large Yeti container and it can fit like perfectly fine in here if I just want to throw it in here, or I would probably close this up and just leave it on the side. But yeah, there's plenty of room for like a towel. If you want to keep other things like a swimsuit, if you have a pool at your gym, you could do that. There's plenty of room for everything in here. But yeah, other than that, that is the Beis sports bag. First impressions, absolutely love it. What fits, how I'm using it. And that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.